Hello, guys. Good afternoon, good evening, good morning. Whenever the time zone you are watching this video, I really greet all, I greet you, I greet you. How was your day? Hope you are enjoying. How was your day? Hope you are enjoying your weekend. Today is Saturday. That's why I started from afternoon because I'm recording this video this afternoon. That is why I'm started the greeting from this afternoon, evening, and morning. So whenever the time is when you are watching the video, I greet all of you. Hope how was this week trade? Hope we thank God, we thank God, we thank God, we thank God. And how did you did your weekend? Do you back there? Do you check the trade very well? And then are you hope you are preparing for this next week? May Almighty God make it easy. My name is Aboeji 001. I'm I greet you all to all the subscriber. I greet you all. I greet you all. Thank you for the support. May Almighty God continue to support you too. And don't forget to share, comment, like, and subscribe also. And don't forget to turn off the notification button so that you'll be the first one to do what to know if I drop another video. So what we have today, let's quickly check our fundamental analysis to check the news. Maybe there is high party news we have, and happy new month in advance. Happy new month in advance. Monday will be December 1st, and I'm sure this December will be our profits. Yes, I'm sure. I will be we our profitable that we have been fighting with. So this December we will start making profit, and we will start calling ourselves profitable trader also. I believe seriously we are a winner. We are not the we are not a loser. We are the head, we are not the tail. We are above, we are not below. And we are wide, we are not bad. We are not bad. Sorry, we are not bad. You understand? Seriously, since we are practicing, we keep the consistency. Definitely, one day we are going to make it. So let's quickly go into the chat and see what is happening. I won't. I won't let this video long too much. You understand? I is 1 hour. Seriously. And I want to tell you, if you do not understand, kindly subscribe. Subscribe, and I'll reach out to you. Kindly comment. If you comment that you do not understand, I will reach out to you seriously, and we have some conversation. Seriously, yeah. But yeah, let's go to fundamental analysis. Let's see, maybe there is news. Yeah, this is fundamental analysis. Let's see, maybe there is high patterns. Yesterday is Friday. Yep. Monday. We are expecting from, yeah, this is Monday. There is high patterns, ISM manufacturing PMI and 4 o'clock. Yep, there is high patterns. Let's see Tuesday. There is no high patterns. There is no high patterns. Let's see Wednesday, there is high patterns around 2:15, and there is no high patterns around 4 o'clock also. Let's see Thursday, there's high patterns, which is unemployment. Let's see. You can see this is usual effect. If actual less than forecast is good for the currency, they have said if actual less than this forecast, maybe it is maybe it's 218 or 215, is good for the currency. Definitely the currency will go up. But if it's more than the forecast, definitely the currency may crash. You understand? And that's how we check fundamental analysis. That's why we prepare fundamental analysis. And you can see we have and there is high partners. You can see UA on Friday also. There's high partners, and let's see the effects. The usual effect, actual greater than the forecast, is good for the currency. Maybe 0.3 or 0, or you understand, is good for the currency. Let's see another. Let's see this one too. They say is usual actual greater than forecast is good for the currency. Maybe we are expecting what actuals will greater than forecast so that the currency will going to pump up. Let's see what is happening here. Actual greater than the forecast is good for the currency. They did not give us, we did not have, we did not have forecast. So let's say we do this, if the trade will open next week Monday, let's see, maybe we can have the actual. So that is it. That is what we are looking for. So let's go to our chart and see what the chart has for us, because we add to the market, we did not predict to the market. You understand? That's what we did in the market. Even is either forex, crypto, stock market, we react to the market because we did not, because the picture has already there. We only just, what we have is just to use our strategy to react to the market, and if it's go in our favor, definitely we are it we react well. But if it not go in our favor, definitely we will try for the another opportunity. So let's move to chat. Welcome back, welcome back, welcome back. Yeah, you already know I started with XEUSD, which is gold. You already sure. I trade with gold, and see you can do the pair. I trade with gold, silver, US30, BTC, and Ethereum, and those forest trades. You understand? So this is gold, this is gold, this is gold. I started from monthly time frame. Or people that already know me, that has been watching the video, they know that I started from monthly time frame. You can see the monthly time frame is telling you if you are still in the uptrend. Seriously, we are still in uptrend. You can see what I did on monthly time frame is just our key level. This is our key level. You can see the resistance, and the resistance has turned to what support, and you can see this resistance again. This another key level here, which market has not come back. So let's go to weekly. Weekly too, I did my what key level also. This is the key level. You can see market has retested this several times before it's broken it, and market has touched the floor, which is resistance, and this is support. Has touched the first several time before broken it. And And what we have, this is our recent resistance here. This resistance key level. This is the higher, the all high. This is the all high, and this is the all low that market did what market retested back. I can see the reason, the how I plotted it is work 1, 2, 3. We use 3 candle on weekly time frame. 1, 2, 3. Same on monthly time frame. You can see 1, 2, 3 before market broke on it. That's key level. And weekly time frame, this is our key level also, because market has started this several time, and this is our key level, and this is the resistance. And this is our recent resistance here. This is our recent support here. What we now, after plotted the key level on weekly time frame also, what we did on daily time frame is showed us to us the swing high. This is our swing high, this is our swing low. Seriously. And this is the previous swing low. You can see this is the previous swing low. This is the previous swing high. The previous swing low, the previous swing high, the recent swing low, the recent swing high. And if you can see, instead of market swept this liquidity, because what? Because there is FEG here. There is FEG here, and market mitigated this FEG. After market mitigated this FEG, it start giving us what? Bullish. It starts giving us the bullish. It starts giving us the bullish. And if you can see, we have what? We have internal break of structure here. For weekly, from daily time frame, this is internal break of structure. And if you can see the internal break of structure, market came back to it. After market came back to it, mitigated it, and continued the uptrend. Let's move to daily time. Let's move to daily time frame. I'm expecting what? Break of structure here. If you can see, we are expecting break of structure here. If you see break of structure, definitely market is coming back here. Market is coming back here. But if we can read the market now, you can see this is break of structure. This is break of structure here, which means market is coming back here. This is another break of structure here, which means market has already mitigated this candle. So this place is not what? It's not valid again. And this is the recent break of structure here. This is the recent break of structure here. What I did on, since I've plotted my key level on monthly and weekly, what I did, I use SMC strategy on what? On daily, 4 hours and 1 hour to see what is happening on the market. You can see we are in uptrend now. And this is the other block. I don't know what happened to my mouse. This is the other block. This is the other block we are expecting market to come. So what we did now, let's just move to what? Let's just move to 4 hours to see the recent trend of 4 hours. If you can see, sorry. If you can see on 4 hours, on 4 hour time frame, we have what? Market has already mitigated this space. Seriously, you can see we have break of structure. That is daily break of structure which align with our 4 hours, and we have another break of structure here, which means that this other block on 4 hours has already been mitigated on daily time frame, has already been mitigated on 4 hours. You can see, which has already been mitigated on 4 hours. You can see it has already been mitigated. And this is the recent break of structure. Market is coming back because market said this liquidity. This liquidity, you're gonna see it on 1 hour time frame. Seriously, you're gonna see this liquidity on 1 hour time frame. And this is other block here. This is another other block on 4 hours time frame. This is another block. And let's move to 1 hour and see what is 1 hour. You can see the 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. And we redefine the 4 hours order block on 1 hour time frame. We're gonna redivide it on 1 hour time frame. This is it. And we are seeing the candle has already been mitigated. You can see those candles has already been mitigated. But if we go to but if you go to maybe 30 minutes or 5 minutes, you're gonna see, if you want to enter this trade, see, this is the liquidity the market is swept. This is the liquidity market has already swept it. You can see market has already swept it, so market is coming back here to push it up back because we are seeing an uptrend. Seriously, let's see 30 minutes. You can see 30 minutes. You can see 30 minutes. You see, we are seeing an uptrend. Let's see 5 minutes. You can see this 5 minutes. This is liquidity here, and there's space here. There's FEGM, which market is coming back. Seriously, let's wait for market to come back here. And if you want to follow the 15-minute time frame, this is 15-minute time frame. You can see there's what? There's FEG here. You can see this FEG here. So definitely market is going to sweep this liquidity. You can see this liquidity of 15-minute time frame. Market is coming back here and push it up. Market is coming back here and push it up. That's what we have on what? That's what we have on good. Seriously, that's what we have on good. We are still in the uptrend. Let's put our long position. So it's since this is the high, this is the high. So market is going to retrace because we are still have FED here. I'm expecting to sweep this liquidity. There is liquidity here also. On 4 hours, you can see there is liquidity here also. This is the first FEG market respected. There is FEG here. So definitely market is coming back here. Push it up. Market is coming back there and push it up. But there is FEG here. If this cannot hold it, this will hold it. This will send it back. This break of structure, this internal break of structure will send it back. But I'm expecting market to give us break of structure. After market give us break of structure, if market is coming to retrace back, they will send it back from here. Seriously, it's going to be sent back from here. So let's see what is happening. Let's see Sliver, what Sliver has for us. You can see Sliver is just going upward. It's just going upward without waiting. You already know I started from monthly time frame. This is monthly time frame, and you can see the monthly time frame. This is the higher high, previous higher high, which market has broken it with full body candle. We already know November has closed. The market has broken it with full body candle. So no fugazi. We are just I think market is heading to this key level, to this next key level, which is 6,000, which is 60.000. So let's just wait and see what market is doing. Let's move to this is our key level here. Since market has broken it, definitely we are expecting market to come back here before pushing it up here because there's FEG here or here. This is the low. This is the higher low. This is the higher low. This is the higher. This is the higher low. You can be expecting market to come back. This is the higher low. This is the higher low. So let's move to weekly. Let's see what's happening weekly. This is our weekly time frame. Market has already broken this key level here with full body candle. You can see it has already broken it with full body candle. Definitely, you should be expecting market here. You should be expecting market here. If you want to count it, 1, 2, 3. But let's use this here as what? Let's use here as what? As see our what? Our resistance. Seriously. And this our key level. Our key level resistance, our key level support. You understand? Let's move to daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is the what? You can see this is the resistance here. Because market has touched it 1, 2, 3, and market has broken the resistance. Seriously. Which means market has given us a break of structure. Market has already gave us break of structure here, and you can see the break of structure. And what we are expecting now, you can see the market is good, is giving us uptrend. This is the previous this is the previous high before, previous low, and this is the previous low. Because market has already give us new high, and this will be what this will be our recent this is our recent swing low now. This is our recent swing low now. Because market has swept this liquidity, so this is our recent swing low. This is our recent swing low. You can see the liquidity market share. This is our recent swing low, and if you can use we can use this as our support also. This is our recent swing low, which market which gave us the new which gave us the new what the new swing high. It gave us the swing high. So let's see. We cannot just let's see retracement count before we can put it about this is high and this is our resistance. This is our resistance. Let's move to so you can see the market. Market is in uptrend. If you use our trend safe, you can see the market. Market is in uptrend. What we just need to is just to follow the trend. We shouldn't disturb ourselves. Let's move to 4 hours. This 4 hours. What 4 hours has for us? And if we can read the market, if we can read the market, you can see this break of structure here. Market came back to this FEG here. After market mitigated this FEG, it gave us what? It gave us another high. It gave us break this one, and break the overall high, previous high. Break it. Definitely, we are still in the uptrend. And what I'm expecting market to you can see I'm expecting market to come here because this key level, this is strong enough because market has mitigated several time. One, two, three. The third time market trying to send it back, but it broken the market. And definitely this is our key. This is the recent break of structure, the inner break of structure here. You can see the break of structure, and this is the other block. This is the other block. Let's move to 1 hour and go and redefine the market on 1 hour. Let's see. Yeah, you can see the 1 hour. You can see how the 1 hour align with it. So what you just need is just to, so we are expecting the market here as our TP, and that's what's and if you see the market broken this low with full body candle, with full body candle broken this with full body candle, definitely the markets are changed. Definitely we are expecting the market to come here. This is our demand zone here that's going to put the market up, or here, because I'm seeing FEG. Market has already mitigated it. So I'm expecting here because this is the break of structure. This is the break of structure here because market has already mitigated this break of structure already. So this is the break of structure, and this is the what? This is the demand zone that gave us that break of structure. Definitely market is coming here. This is the demand zone. I'm expecting the market coming. That's the demand zone. This demand zone. That's why this demand zone I'm expecting market to come. But as for now, let's see maybe market we expected this place. Let's see, because you can see we have seen the big, this is the big of structure, and this serves as a resistance. Market will bounce on it, send it back. You understand? Let's just wait and see what the market has for us. But we are still in bullish. If you want to do your confirmation entry, just go to 15 minutes, see if you can see break of structure or change of character. Definitely continue the uptrend. Seriously, we are still in uptrend. Let's move to US 30. Let's see what US 30 has for us. This US 30, and the US 30 has not come back seriously. And US 30 it fucked me up. I shouldn't lie. It fucked me up because where I'm expecting the market to come, it does not reach there before retracing back upward. Before retracing back up, and you can see the US 30. Those are the for monthly time frame. Those are the key level. You can see the key level resistance, which market has already broken. You can see this resistance come as support again. Market broken it, go up again. Or you can see you can see this key level here. Market has mitigated, and this key level here. Market has mitigated. Let's move to weekly time frame. This weekly time frame, and this is the what? This is the resistance here. This is the resistance there, and this is the what? This is the market here. This is the key level which market has already turned to what? Support to resistance, and that is it. And you can see, let's move to daily time frame to see the clear market. You can see the data. This is break of structure here. That is break of structure here, and this is the break of structure here. And this is the break of structure, and this is the low that gave us this high. and this is the low. This is the swing low that gave us this swing high. This is swing low that gave us this swing high. After market demonstrated this other block, it respected this other block, send it up. But after market swept this liquidity, because it serves as liquidity. After market swept it as liquidity, it continued the uptrend. Let's move to what? Let's move to this is it. This is the what? This is the demand zone. Let's move to daily time frame. 4 hours time frame. This is the 4 hours time frame. You can see the 4 hours after market swept this liquidity here. I'm expecting market to come here, but market mitigated this FEG. Market mitigated the FEG and what continued the upward. After market mitigated the FEG, this is the last break of social market gave us. This is the last break of social market gave us. Internal break of social. You can see that last break of social market gave us, and you can see we have change of character here. This is the other block. This is the other block. I'm expecting market to send it back again to get mitigated with what I expected the market to mitigate it, but it does not. It does not. It doesn't happen. I swear to God. That's what it takes. Sometimes you wait for markets to what to to mitigate your entry point. Same to here. I set my entry here, my stop loss above. So my aftermarket what? Aftermarket hit me out. Aftermarket stop the trade. Definitely it continue the what? It continue the uptrend straight away. This market it's pay me. The market's pay me, but I can't do anything. I for I forgot it. How did I speak that English? So I missed this buy. Second time I missed this buy again. Seriously. Why why I'm expecting market to come? I want market to mitigate it because this is the liquidity sweat. You understand? So I'm expecting market to come. And market respected this 1 hour. I've already set my entry here that market is should mitigate here. But the reason why is that the stop trade is too much and I cannot bear that risk because my capital is not much. That's why I'm expecting market to mitigate it here to continue the uptrend. But no problem. We move because market has created another opportunity. I'm looking at the market. Market will sweep this liquidity here because this place serve as liquidity for me. This place, this place serve as liquidity for me. You can see we have internal break of structure. You can see this is the last break of structure on what on 1 hour on 4 hours, and this is the what this is the and this is the last break of structure, and this is the other block. It's supposed to what? It's supposed to send the market back, but what? It doesn't. It break the market with full body candle, which turn to what? Change of character. What we have to is just to be joining the trend. You just need to be joining the trend. This is the last break. This is the last in break of structure the market gave us. We are still in the uptrend. This is the last break of structure market gave us. This is the last break of structure market gave us. And this is the other block. This is the other block. We set here as what? We choose this here because market has This is the other block. This piece also, market has already swept this liquidity. This is the other block. I'm expecting market to give us uptrend, to continue the uptrend. Let's see 1 hour to redivide the market on 1 hour. This is 1 hour. You can see the 1 hour. This is the valid order block, which we guys wait for market to what to respect and give us the what and give us the uptrend. This is surprise. Let's wait. This is the swing. Let's see what is happening. But this is the key level I'm expecting. You can see this is the supply zone here. Let's see. Let's see here before we go here. Before we come here, let's see what is happening. So this is what we am expecting. This is what I'm expecting on USDT. What is that? Sorry for that. This is what I'm expecting on USDT. But if you see market broken this place, definitely market is coming down. It's coming down to come and mitigate this FEG. I see the FEG here. Let's see, maybe this one will push it up because there's no FEG. Definitely, there's no FEG anymore. But I'm seeing this place as liquidity. Seriously, I'm seeing this place as liquidity. I don't know why, but I'm seeing it as liquidity market is going to sweat before continuing the uptrend. Seriously. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening. Let's see what is happening. Let's go to Forex. GBPUSD. This is GBPUSD. Let's see what is happening for monthly time frame also. This is our monthly time frame. You can see the direction of the market is giving us that trend here. You can see there is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. Market strike those liquidity here. You can see market strike those liquidity here. Continue, and this is the what? This is the lower low, which market has already mitigated and trying to send it back. You can see it's trying to send it back, and you can see the recent one is telling us uptrend. And this is our key level, which market has turned to support and resistance. You can see this is support turned to resistance every time. So I'm expecting the market to what? To break this place, to come here again. You can see which has broken it, turned to support. And if market touch here, it will break it again. Let's see what is happening. And the recent one is telling us uptrend. We are in uptrend. Let's move to 4 hours. This is, I say 4 hours weekly. Since 1 hour has told us the recent trend is uptrend, let's move to what? Let's move to, and if you can see for monthly time frame itself, this is the last FEG we have, which market has already mitigated this FEG. There is no FEG here, but it's created FEG on what? On smaller time frame. If you move to the daily time frame, you can see the FEG. There's no FEG on smaller time frame, but it created FEG on what? On daily time frame. Seriously. And let's see. This is what we have. I'm sorry for that. This is what we have. This is the last break of structure here. This is break of structure here. This is the resist. This is the support here. This is the resistance here. This is the resistance here, and this is the last resistance here, which market has turned to key level. This is our key level because this is where market reacts to come down. This is how market reacted to come down. Our key level is where market reacted to come down, and where market reacted to go up. And we can see here this key level. But this is our key level also, but we cannot draw it because it is too much. We usually just the one that market has already tested as support as a resistance. You can see this place here. This key level, market has already tested it, send it back. And this key level, you can see market has already tested it, send it back, come back again, come back again, and market has already tested it. That's why we do it. And you can see this is the break of structure here. And let's move to daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. On daily time frame, this is the recent FEG here. This one is serve as liquidity here. Our swing high and our swing low on daily time frame. This is our swing low, and this is the swing high it gave us. It gave us here. It gave us this swing high, and this swing low gave us this one. Give us this one. Give us this one. You can see this is our swing high. These are previous swing low. These are previous swing high. These are recent swing low that give us this swing high. No, 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 no. Yeah, market pretty good with full body candle. Yeah, this was big, but you can't use it. No, yeah. This internal swing low that gave us this, and this is the swing high. But this is the swing high, this is the swing low that gave us this high. If you can see, this is the swing low that gave us this one. Seriously. Hey, I'm coming. Let me pray. If I pray finish, I'll be back. So yeah. on on what? On our daily time frame, this is our swing low. You can see this is our swing low, and this is our previous swing low that gave us this high. That gave us this high, which means market swept this liquidity. You can see this is break of structure, and this is our break of structure again. You can see this is our break of structure again. But this swing low, it gave us this swing high. It showed us light. It gave us this one. This one serve as manual swing low. It shouldn't lie. This serve as manual swing low. You can see after market mitigated it. After market mitigated it, it did what? It did what? It does not break it, which means this swing low is manual. It does not what? It doesn't strong. But if you can see, we have FEG here. Market has already mitigated this FEG. We have FEG here also. We have liquidity here. Let me see market show this liquidity. We have FEG here. This is demand. This is demand zone because there is liquidity here also. There is liquidity here also. And this is that break of social. This is the swing low. This is the swing low that gave us the swing high. This is the swing low. This is the swing low that gave us this high. this high. What we just need is just to patiently identify the market very well. Since we have drawn this our recent, you can see the recent one and the recent swing low. These are previous swing low here, and these are previous swing high here. But since market has broken this what, it has seen to what? It has seen to what? Change of character. But this other block was trying to push it up, and this here you can see here, this is the last supply we have here. This will be our supply here. This is the last supply we have here, because if you can read it, this is break of structure here. But this is the what, this is recent internal break of structure here. You can see internal break of structure inside internal break of structure. Mhm. You see this internal break of structure, you can see this is change of character. This is internal change, you can see change of character here. This is the last break, you see change of character here. Market mitigated this place and tried to push it down. Seriously. Mhm. On daily time frame, only just swing high, swing low, we will see the main market. And this is the FEG here. Market has already mitigated this FEG, and the SPG is trying to give us what? It's trying to give us uptrend. Seriously, the FEG is going to be, because this is the last internal break of structure here. You can see this is supply here also. We have internal break of structure, you can see, and we have supply here. These are overall supply here. Let's move to daily time frame and see the recent trend. This is the daily time frame, but markets has already mitigated here, because this is the last break of this is the internal break of structure. Because you can see the market, this is break of structure here. The break of structure change to the change of character, and this is the demand, so that's trying to push the market up. I see the demand zone. This is the demand zone that's trying to push the market up, and we have break of structure, and this is the overall demand zone here. Well, all those candles has already been mitigated. Even this place has already been mitigated, but I'm looking for uptrend. Seriously, let's move to 1 hour and see, maybe we can see the uptrend, because I'm looking for uptrend. Seriously, the market I'm looking for, this place has already been, but markets expected this demand zone, this place, because you can see the market is giving us, you can see the market is giving us, let's move to 15 minutes. The reason why I choose this way, because there's FEDA. But if we can read the market, you can see the market is giving us break of structure. And market expected this other block here, trying to push the market down. As well now. Uh, Internal break of structure, other block here. Let's see if we see change of character on 5 minute time frame. Definitely this other block is valid. You see, this other block, this one will push it up. This one will push it up. This one is gonna push it up. Seriously, it's going to push it up. Let's see, it's going to push it up. It's going to push it up back. Seriously. But let's see, maybe we can see maybe market will indicate it here before giving us the uptrend. But if you follow 1 hour, market has already made indicated case candle, which means this candle are not are invalid anymore. Are invalid. So I must this will serve as our what? This will serve as our support resistance on 1 hour. This is our resistance. This is our resistance on 1 hour. If market broken it, definitely we are in uptrend. Seriously, we are in uptrend because this is supply zone. Let's move to euro. I'm the one I closed this trade on by myself. Seriously, I closed it by myself yesterday. The reason why I closed it, let's start from monthly time frame also. Monthly time frame, you can see the monthly time frame is giving us break of structure here. This is the break of structure. This is the break of structure. Market mitigated this other block here. Market mitigated this other block here. It's trying to give us another break of structure, which means this is the key level. This is the higher high. So I'm expecting market to come back. Market is not coming back anymore. Market is going up because this is the liquidity market swept here. The first candle has swept the liquidity. Market is going up. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see weekly time frame. Sorry. Welcome back. This is our weekly time frame. And the weekly time frame, you can see 6 monthly time frame is telling us uptrend. Let's move to weekly time frame. Let's see what is happening on weekly time frame. This is the weekly time frame. This is the low. This is the low we have that gave us this high. And this is the break of structure. And this is the low we have that gave us this break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. So we still have break of structure here also. This is the low that gave us this break of structure. And this has already turned as key level. Seriously. And this serves as what? Key level also, which market has already mitigated before continuing the uptrend. Let's move to daily time frame. Our swing high and our swing low. You can see this is the swing low, this is the recent swing low, and this is the swing high. And these are previous. I want to confirm this with you. Yeah, it's with full body candle. And the reason why market give us this is the swing low, the market gave us the swing high. The reason why is market swept this liquidity. Market swept this liquidity. Market swept this liquidity. That is why this is the other block. Market swept this liquidity because those other block are severely mitigated. And this is the last one we have. Yeah, this is the recent one, recent low, and yeah, and this is the demand zone. I'm expecting market to come back, but market couldn't mitigated it. Market gave us what? Mitigated the FEG. You can see market has already mitigated the FEG here. Market mitigated the FEG and market giving the definitely giving us what uptrend. And this is the last. You can see internal break of structure. And this is the last supply zone here. You can see on daily time frame, I say on daily time frame on what on GBPUSD, this is the supply zone here, and this is the, so you see entire breakup. So this is supply zone here. If market broken this place, it's coming to this place. So, and this is the overall. And if market is broken this overall, definitely market is what is uptrend and give us break of structure. Definitely market is coming back to what, to save this liquidity here because there is FEG here, continuing the uptrend. So let's analyze our Euro USD. This is our Euro USD. This is the last supply zone. This is the last supply zone here. Let's move to 4 hours. Let's see what is happening on 4 hours. This is the 4 hours. And you can see on 4 hours after market mitigate give us change of character here. Market came back here to this demand zone here. After market came back to this demand zone here, market expected this demand zone give us, you see, break of structure. So this is the recent demand zone here. Well, market has give us break of structure here. This is where I took the trade on Friday. Market has respected this place. Market has respected this way. Let's move to, this is the break of structure here. You can see the break of structure, and this is what, this is change of character here. That is on 1 hour. Because what I'm expecting market to come to this space before seeing the action seriously. If you move to 1 hour, we see break of structure here, we see change of character here. The reason why I close the market is because I see the market is coming back. That's why I close the market as sky. Let me close this market too. Before it came to my, come and give me nonsense. Sorry for that. On 1 hour, you can see this is the last break of structure on 1 hour to uptrend. We are still in uptrend though. I'm sorry for that. I don't know what happened to my mouse. This is the last break of structure. After this last break of structure, you can see market gave us break of structure. Market shift here. This is the other block. Market mitigated, gave us another bearish. And this is what? Is I'm seeing change of character here, seriously. After seeing change of character, let's move to 30 minutes. Let's see, maybe there's FEG. There's no FEG. The market has showed this liquidity. I'm expecting the buy. Let's see, maybe market will come here because there's small FEG here. There's more FEG here because you can see, if you read this market structure, you can see this break of structure, this change of character. Let's see, maybe market will come here. Other block. If market can come here, continue the uptrend. Seeing the options. Let's see if you can see the change. You can see this is change of character. You can see this is order block. Last order block market gave us. This is what change of character here. You can see this is break order block here. This is change of this is what this is break of structure here. This is the last order block market can make expected. Give us another order block. What the market did. So this feels as our liquidity market is coming back here. After market is coming back here, give us this just uptrend. So yeah, this is the last uptrend. And if you want to take this trade, the next supply zone, which is here, because this is the supply zone market is expected this place. So I'm expecting market to come back here. So that is it. Let's see USDJPY. Yeah, sorry for that. Let me quickly delete it. Yeah, let me explain this how I took this trade, but I didn't trade it. Let's explain this from monthly time frame. You can see the monthly time frame is uptrend. This is the last higher high. This is the key level market created, and you can see this is the support market turned to resistance. Market created level here also. Market, and this is the level I'm expecting the market. This is the last level. I can see the market bookmark. You can see it. You can see it. Market expected this key level also. Market expected the key level. This key level is also here also. Market expected this key level also. Let's do this monthly key level here. Monthly key level. Let's move to weekly time frame. These are our weekly time frame here. These are monthly time frame which market has expected. Okay, as my market expected this place key level. After market expected this key level, this is the last break of structure from weekly time frame, which is this is the recent key level here. This is the monthly one. This is the previous. This is the where I'm expecting market to come back before retracing, but market expected this monthly one. Market expected this monthly one, but there's FEG here, which market was strong expected for me. Seriously, let's continue the market. Let's continue the trend. Let's continue the trend. Let's continue the trend. So this is the last key level. Which market has already turned to survive, and this is the set key level here. You can see this key level here. Market has turned it to, and this place also. This is the recent one. Round 2, 3. Market broken it. So let's move to daily time frame to see our recent what. And this on daily time frame, this is our recent swing high, recent swing low here. This is the swing low here, and this is the previous swing low here, and previous swing high here. Or market accept this liquidity. The market has already mitigated this place, which means this candle is what? Let's move to the 4 hours time frame. 4 hours time frame. This is the what? This is the demand zone. This is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. This is the demand zone from daily time frame. The market has already mitigated this place. That's why I don't choose the market. Let's if you use Fibonacci retracement, let's see what the market is doing. Market expected 50% is still valid. It's still valid. Market expected the 50% is still valid. Seriously, it's still valid because this place has already mitigated. It's still valid. This 4 hours time frame, and this is the 4 hours. This is the last what? This is the last demand zone, which market has respected. Seriously, and after market expected this demand zone, I go to what? I go to 15 minutes. Let's move to 1 hour to see the structure of 1 hour. You can see the 1 hour. I moved to 1 hour. I think this is the one. This is where I took the trade on 1 hour. This is the 1 hour. You can see this is the last break of structure, and this is the break of internal break of to uptrend. Market shift to uptrend. You can see market swept this liquidity with full body candle. Market swept this liquidity with full body candle. So market came back to this liquidity. You can see after market came back to this liquidity, I'm expecting market to break this before coming down, but market didn't. You can see this is break of structure here, and market came back to this other block here. If we move to 30 minutes, we see the other block very well. This is the other block. This is the market shift. This is the break of structure here. Market. This is the FEG here. Market get back to it and continue the uptrend. If you want to read this market to uptrend, let's move to 15 minutes. You cannot read the market. Let's move to 5 minutes. So we can see so that we can read the market to 5 minutes. This is the break of structure here. This is the last break of structure on 5 minutes. You can see. This is the last break of structure. This is the previous break of structure, and this is the recent break of structure here. Market change it to what? Change of character. You can see after market change of character, markets came back to it to this other block, continue to give us uptrend again. If you want to take this uptrend, I cannot see it here, but market is in uptrend. As I'm seeing this market this is 1 minute time frame. Market came back to this other block, but our time frame is not like that. But I'm seeing uptrend. We are seeing an uptrend seriously. Let's see if you can see break of structure seriously. Definitely, we are seeing an uptrend. Let's see GBPJPY. We have already reached 1 hour step. Yeah, you can see this trend. This is the key level I'm expecting the market to. This is the key level I'm expecting. Recent key level I'm expecting. This is another key level. If this one does not hold it, this is the one I'm expecting market to hold it. So this is the key level we are coming. You can see this is the key level we are coming. Let's move to weekly. This is the weekly key level which market has broken. I think it has not broken into its full body candle. Market is still reacting on it. It has not broken its full body candle, and this is the market has already mitigated this key level here. And this is the key level. You can see the give us big consumption. Sorry for that. Let's read our swing high and swing low. These are this are previous one. You can delete this one also because market has not come back to it. So the chart will not come back. Let's start from here. These are previous one that gave us this high, and this is the recent high, and this is the low. This is the low. This is the low that gave us. This is the swing low that gave us this high. This is the previous swing low that gave us this high. Let's move to daily time frames. Can read the market on daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. This is the daily time frame. So after market, I think market did not mitigate this space, but I moved to I did not take this trade though because I placed it, but market did not come back quickly, so I deleted it. I closed it. You can see after market mitigated this space, it started as what? You can see the market has touched. You can see the market has touched it several times. It has served as our resistance. You can say it's resistance. The swing high. You can say it's our resistance now. The market can break it at any time. But market give us this is the last break of structure. Market give us change of character here. You can see change of character. We see other block here. And this is you see internal break of structure here. And this is the last other block. I'm expecting market to what? To give me the sell. And market reach this other block. After market reach this other block, let's move to 5 minutes. Maybe you can see opportunity on 5 minutes. If you want to take this trade on 5 minutes, we have to wait. Seriously, we have to wait because those trades serve as liquidity. I'm saying this because we can't do too much. So we have to wait for a way. If market can come back to this other block or to this other block. So this is the low here. See, let's see what market has for us. No, as for me, I'm seeing uptrend. You know why I'm seeing uptrend? Because market has already mitigated this FEG. So I'm seeing uptrend. I'm seeing uptrend. I'm waiting for market to break this structure. If market can break this structure, definitely the market is uptrend. Seriously. Let's see. Let's wait. Let's see BTC. Let's see what we have from BTC. Let's see what BTC has for us. What is it? Hey, I said this video will not too much. This is almost 1 hour. This is after 1 hour after. You see this, BTC. Definitely BTC what has touched our key level here because this is our last break of structure. For monthly time frame, this is our last break of structure and it has touched our low here. Our higher low. This higher, this is the higher high. And market came back to it, touch our this key level. Let's move to daily time frame. This is our daily time frame. This is our resistance key level, which market has touched every time. And this market has respected this place every time. And this is the last one. Market has respected mitigated. Let's move to daily time frame. This is the swing low market expected. Seriously. This is the swing low. This is the break of structure. But what we are expecting now, because this is the last break of structure here. You can see the break of structure. This is the last break of structure market expected. Seriously. The market has swept this liquidity. You can see market has swept this liquidity. Definitely we are in uptrend. The market is in uptrend. We just be waiting, we just be looking for my uptrend. Let's move to 4 hours. This is the supply zone. I'm expecting the market to come because this place I see it as liquidity. I see it as liquidity. This is FEG here. This is FEG. I see this place and this is the supply zone. Let's move to daily time frame. Let's see the market. You can see the market has touched it the time. This is the demand zone market. This is the, as you can see, internal break of structure. Market mitigated this place, give us another internal break of structure. This place has served as what? It has served as what? Resistance for us because market has come back again, mitigated it again. So this is the last order block. I'm expecting market to dish out the uptrend. I'm expecting the market here, and if you can read the market structure very well, this is the break of structure here. Market close this FEG, market close this, swept this liquidity, and market come back to this break of structure. Market came back to this, give us what? Give us break of structure. Market is coming back to here to give us what? To give us uptrend again because this is the next supply zone I'm expecting the market to because this is the next supply zone, but it serves as liquidity also. You can see liquidity also. This is the main extremist supply zone. Extremist supply zone. This is the next supply zone I'm expecting the market to come. But we are in uptrend on BTC. Seriously, we are in uptrend. Let's see, maybe we can join maybe the market is in downtrend or uptrend. And if you can read the market very well, the market gave us this is the last break of structure. This is the last break of structure. You can see the internal break of structure on 1 hour. On 1 hour, market mitigated this demand zone. After market mitigated this demand zone, what the market did is continue the uptrend, but it has not given us break of structure. Because if it's closed with full body candle, definitely the market has given us break of structure. Definitely will be anticipating what for sell. Seriously. But as for now, and let's see. We can take this trade. We can take this trade. You know the reason why? Because market give us break of structure here. This is the last break of structure market give us for 4 hours time frame. And if you can see, we cannot take this trade though, because market has not break this face with full body candle. I'm expecting market to break this low with full body candle to come back. But this is the way we are anticipating for buy. We are buying from here, from this other block. We are buying from here upward. But I'm seeing, let's see, maybe we can see downtrend. What we can see from internal, you see, this is the break of structure here. Market mitigated here. Give us high again. Let's see, maybe market will come back here. Let's see 30 minute time frame. Let's see 30 minutes. This is the break of structure. Let's see 30 minute time frame. 1 hour time frame. Let's see, you can have sell here. Maybe this other block can give us sell. But before we take this sell, we must be on 1 hour time, on 5 minute time frame. Seriously, if we want to take this sell, let's be on 5 minute time frame. We can't we guys be on 5 minute time frame. The reason why I say we guys be on 5 minute time frame is that we must see, let's make this, it's not, this place is not invalid. On 15 minute time frame, on 15 minute time frame, I can see the break of structure very well. Let's wait on 5 minute time frame. You can see 5 minute time frame. We see here, this is what change of character. You see break of structure, change of character, other block. This is another other block, the other block here. Market mitigated this other block, trying to push it up, but they're going to give us another break of block. Market is coming back here. Let's wait for market here. But we can't see confirmation entry like break of structure market shift before we take the trade. Seriously, let's see Ethereum, because my time is almost up. This is 1 hour plus 1 hour 30 minutes. Kai. For monthly time frame, you can see this is the key level, this is our key level. For weekly time frame, you can see this is our key level stand. This is the one that gave us this high, and this is our key level here. So this key level also mitigated also. So market is coming back here. Market is coming back here, and downtrend. But daily time frame, let's see daily time frame. Daily time frame, this is the last supply zone. But this place has served as liquidity. Let's see if the market can push it up here. Yes, up here, up there, up there. And you can see this break of structure, and this is the I'm expecting market to come to this other block, and this shows uptrend to this next. This supplier serve as liquidity. I'm expecting market to come back. Yeah. Thank you. Highly appreciate. Thank you. Hope you enjoyed the video. I really appreciate. Thank you for watching. Thank you for watching. Thank you for the support. And don't forget, once again, my name is Aboiji001. Don't forget to subscribe, comment, like, and turn up the notification button so that you'll be the first one to notify that I've dropped the new video. I really appreciate. I really appreciate. One love, one love. Have a profitable week ahead. Have a profitable week ahead. Have a profitable week ahead, and enjoy your profits very well. I do use your profit to do investment, another investment apart from trading. You understand? You understand? Yeah, yeah. Thank you. Peace and love. One love, one love. Have a nice day.